Hey, I'm Jason Hammond, and today I want to walk you through replacing a light fixture. Not the full book, just the teaser version. This is the simplest visible upgrade you can make in a room. 30 minutes, 2 wire nuts, no sparks. Here's the scene. The builder-grade boob light has been there since 1992, or the dining room chandelier you inherited is cracked at the canopy. Or you bought a new house and every fixture in it is 30 years past its decade. Here's the thing most homeowners don't realize. The fixture isn't the first decision. The box behind it is. Before you fall in love with a 20-pound chandelier, you need to know whether the box in your ceiling can hold it. Before you buy anything, confirm the scope. There are 3 kinds of ceiling boxes. A pancake box, which is about a ½ inch deep, fine for a light fixture under 10 pounds. A standard octagon box, 2 inches deep, handles most fixtures. And a fan-rated box, which supports 35 pounds or more. If you're installing a heavy chandelier, the box has to match. Pancake box plus chandelier equals a fixture on the dining room table in about a year. Here's what the job actually looks like. You kill the breaker, and you test with a non-contact voltage tester twice. Once at the switch, once at the exposed wires when the fixture is loose. You remove the old fixture, including any painted shut mounting screws, and you install the new universal mounting bracket to the existing box. You match wire to wire. Black fixture, lead to the black house wire. White to white, ground to the green grounding screw on the bracket. You twist copper clockwise, snug an orange wire nut, and wrap with a bit of electrical tape. You tuck the connections up into the box. If it's a chandelier, you tie a safety knot in the wires above the canopy so the fixture weight doesn't hang from your splices. You slide the canopy up, tighten the decorative nuts, install LED bulbs inside the fixture's max wattage rating, and flip the breaker. The mistakes that double this job: wrong box for the weight. Backstabbed push-in terminals instead of screw-downs. No ground connection when the fixture requires one. Skipping the safety chain on anything over 20 pounds. And spot painting the ceiling and hoping the old paint matches, which it never does. One safety stop. If you pull the old fixture down and see cloth-insulated wire, brittle black rubber sheathing, or no ground wire at all in an older house, stop. That's a box you're not going to upgrade on a Saturday. Get an electrician in. For the full step-by-step, the box assessment, the chandelier safety chain routine, and the 5 mistakes that make this job visible, grab the complete guide at hammondreengineered.com. That's hammondreengineered.com. I'll see you in the book.